ashamed of? Funny you should ask. Get it?
Got it. So what we need to understand is that there are two kinds of shame. Useless shame, we could call it, even though everything is useful, and useful shame. Now, what is useless shame? Useless shame is the shame that you may feel when thinking about choices that you made in the past that maybe society doesn't really approve of, or your parents don't approve of, or they go against someone's expectations. So for example, for some people it could be dropping out of school, or accepting that job, or starting dating a certain person. But about this, we're going to talk another time. Useful shame instead, well, that's something we should really cherish, because I think useful shame is the one that helps you to reconnect with who you really are. Let me make an example. Let's say that today I'm with my friends and all of a sudden someone starts talking behind someone else's back. And instead of saying something, instead of stopping that, I just go along with it. Well, afterwards, I know myself, I will feel shame. And that's good, because that shame helps me to understand that I'm not proud of that. That's not the Giulia I want to be. And that is something that I need to cherish, because it shows me how to reconnect with the person that I want to be. So, to answer your question, at times I may feel shame, yes, but never for longer than 24 hours. And here's why. Every evening I have a moment of self-reflection that I never miss, and I would suggest you to do the same. I think about my day. What is the balance? Am I proud of what I've done, or am I not? Am I proud of who I've been, or am I not? Yes, today I am. I deserve a good night's sleep. I have worked hard today. I've gone out of my comfort zone. I have spared no effort. I have been consistent with who I want to be. I am proud of me. But what if I'm not? Why am I not proud of me? What have I done wrong? I was unnecessarily rude to my colleague. I didn't complete my to-do list. I just was lazy, to be honest. How can I make up for it now, before going to bed? Now it's late to talk, but I could still send a text, just apologize for it and set a call for tomorrow. My to-do list, okay, it's too late to complete it all, but what is at least one action that I can take now? Yeah, I could send that email and also finalize that file. Let me do it quickly. That's much better. I've read somewhere that the thoughts you make in the last 5 minutes before going to bed will affect your subconscious mind for the next 3 to 4 hours. So, call it shame. You may even use another word if you like it more, but that's not the thing you want to be thinking about right before falling asleep. So, having the courage to get in touch with this shame, and more importantly, acting upon it, that could be one of the best gifts you give yourself. Now I do deserve that good night's sleep, and so do you.